Many thanks. So it is a great privilege to talk with the U35 leadership. Those are ready to go A70. A70 हमारा 100 मीटर का रेस नहीं है. It is a marathon race. So that's why we need dreams and goals thoroughly. Because unless you hold your dreams, you cannot grow in the business. Hold your dream, challenge the challenges. That's all about the business. So again, I welcome and congratulations to each and everyone in the Zoom screen and the YouTube, because in YouTube you have more than 500 achievers are there. So now you are keeping ready ourselves to grow this business big way, and each and everyone are in the A70. That is our focus, that is our mission. So that is our long-term goal. That's why you just hold your dream, challenge the challenges. So now we can have some panel discussion with all the achievers. Those have taken the decision to go a big way in this business. So we'll discuss with them. So we'll interact with them, which they can give the message each and everyone, so that you can relate. If this young couple, young boy, U35, U30, boy gen, young generation. So first, let me invite Mr. Chandan Behera. He is working in TCS. Please come to the Zoom screen. Working in TCS. Mr. Chandan Kumar, are you there? Please come to the Zoom screen. Okay, so very nice to see you here. So Chandan, you can give your introduction, you can give your background. So I can put some couple of questions to you. So I know you are in IT job. IT job is a great job. People looking forward to have the job at Tata, Accenture, Cognizant, and Infosys. You are already in the TCS big house. Still then, I have been seeing you. You are very passionate to building business. So what make you so passionate? Because I know this year you are going platinum. So you can tell your appliance name, your LOS, your mentors' names. So what made you so excited to be in the business? Then I can interact something. Here, over to Chandan.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, leader. This is Chandan Behra. This is sir ne bataya. By profession, I am software engineer working for TCS. Are building this business very passionately and going platinum by next year. Or thank you, sir, for this. And before starting, I just want to introduce like a few of the things. कि मैंने first of all, great thanks to my parents. Because of them I am here, and my immediate uplines, starting from Prem Behra, Bharti Behra, Dilip, and Rakhi Mishra, and specially mentored by Prakash sir and Jyoti ma'am, and our great upline, Western Odisha first diamond, Bhavani sir and Anu ma'am. So, and finally, none other than WRBT's visionary man Rakhal and Vita Mahamti. Thank you, sir. And मैंने जैसे बिजनेस के लिए स्टार्ट किया, so just a normal traditional job चल रहा है, लेकिन what made me to start in this business is like मैंने जैसे प्लान देखा, so the first thing that hit to my mind is it's about the time compounding. क्योंकि मैं आज जहाँ पे भी हूँ, I cannot build a great infrastructure through which I can be financially free. और मुझे ये चीज बहुत अट्रैक्ट किया इस बिजनेस में कि अगर मैं आज कुछ सिंपल चीजें करूं और अपना अनप्रोडक्टिव आवर को एक राइट वे में इन्वेस्ट करूं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इन्वेस्टिंग माय टाइम इन राइट थिंग एंड इंक्रीजिंग my value, so that I can build a huge business, and so that I can be financially free going forward. and जैसे it helped me to learn more things, and then I associated with BWW, the one of the finest business education and the financial education, and जैसे मैंने कुछ summer conferences attend किए and gone through few of the literatures like business of 21st century, copycat marketing, and parabola pipeline. Through that, I came to know like uh, everything is not there inside the job. If you are having a big dream and goal, then it can be
So,
completed. It can be cleared.
what exactly your dream? What do you expect from out of this business? So, you see, what is your entry package? When, कितना साल हो गया आपका TCS में?
Uh, Sir, it's already 7 plus
You are
years
already
experience
7 years in TCS.
corporate.
Okay, so what was your entry package? Package कितना था जब आप TCS में शुरू किया?
When I started, it was 3.6 lakhs.
3.6 lakhs. It is all about 30,000 per month. कि नहीं?
Yes.
So
Yes.
इसलिए you have made a huge investment. आपका पढ़ाई में कितना खर्चा हुआ था?
So it was a big thing क्योंकि मैं अगर पूरा completely अपना education background बताऊं तो BTech में already around 3.5 to 4 lakhs of investment, और उससे पहले तो I cannot
6-7 लाख का investment हुआ था. So with that investment, after your education, you entered with the package of 30,000. कि नहीं?
yes.
30,000.
Yes.
But here you know what is our BBI package, what you have been enjoying now, going platinum. आपका भी BBI package कितना है हो रहा है? वहाँ?
BBA package will be something like that. Like मैंने जब से starting किया था, it will be of that package. So I
40,000.
can,
You see, so people are confusing in the business. Once you develop your skill like a professional, when you start working towards, you can have easily 40,000 package within 2 years. That's the level of BBI. So another thing, so in BFI level, so different levels of income is here. In BFI, it is around 10,000, BBI 40,000, silver 81 lakh, this way. So Chandan, can you say me, so what is the percentage of TCS are earning more than 1 lakh per month? कितना percentage हो गए?
it will
There
be
are 5-10% people in TCS across the globe, those have been earning more than 1 lakh.
yes, exactly.
So you see, so it is after even 10 years.
Yes.
10 साल का बाद आपका पैकेज around 1 lakh per month, 12 lakhs, it is going towards 12 lakhs. Is it right?
Yes, exactly.
You see, in this business, if you work consistently with the system, with the proper guideline, with the brick worldwide, where Chandan is going this year platinum, that package is 12 lakhs. Hardly it takes 3 years. All support system is there. So, you see, now you are very busy in your job. Are you in a shift job, in regular job? आप अभी shift कर रहे हैं ना, regular जा रहे हैं?
नहीं, it's kind of regular job, but we are supporting from 12:30 to 9:30.
So you are now with the hybrid entrepreneurs. So what challenges you have been facing to develop your entrepreneurship? Your job is a different field. We have been training your time and ability. So here you focus the entrepreneurship to grow. So in the process of your journey from employees to employer thought process, what challenges you have been facing? Can you explain?
Thank you, sir. Challenges, the first thing was the shifting of the mindset. Mindset shifting, the transformation. मैं जब job में हूँ तो job mentality is something different. Like we are normally in a comfortable zone कि हम लोग का job में कर रहे हैं, then month end में salary आ रहा है and everything is fine क्योंकि अभी मैं जैसे bachelor हूँ, so it's good. But moving towards entrepreneurship, it's something a different mindset that we have to shift our attitude towards learning, towards continuous learning. Because if we are not learning every day or every moment, तो वो हमें stop कर देगा, growth नहीं होगा हमारा. So, but this entrepreneurship is nothing but every day we need to grow and we need to focus on our dreams and goals.
Very good. In Chandan, you see, in this COVID situation, people are losing their job. There is no guarantee. They cannot sleep even night in safely. They cannot sleep. So the situation posed to them like this, salary cut हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, अभी जो situation all over the globe चल रहा है. So how do you feel that now this year you can have 12 lakhs within 3 to 4 years? अभी आपका security कैसे लग रहा है? ठीक है, COVID है तो भी no problem. I can pursue to go Emerald Diamond. How do you feel regarding to that?
Yes sir, like everything, like हमारे पास अगर कुछ choice हो और कुछ option हो, then it's a very very great thing कि हम लोग उसके हिसाब से we can have a great lifestyle. और it kind of thing कि मेरे पास एक ऐसा opportunity है कि I can write my own check, और through this I can with my mentorship mentor के help में I can be writing कि मैं कैसे बिल्डअप करूं अपने टीम को, कैसे अपने
Now this is the great message from Chandan as an entrepreneur. So he can decide how much he can earn. Where in our job, in profession, rating is there. Somebody is writing your rating, somebody writing your CCR. So on base of that, you will be promoted of that. Okay. So during this joining till today, so you might be facing a problem. People are selling product are costly. अभी कैसे क्या कर रहा है? What response you have towards it? Product or costly? आपके कैसे respond कर रहा है?
Great thing sir, like product are costly, it's a general thing, क्योंकि मैं जब बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था तो तब हम लोग वही स्टार्ट किए थे, क्योंकि जैसे मैं स्टार्ट किया बिजनेस को, जैसे रिटेलिंग स्टार्ट किया, so like it's a normal question like products are costly. तो लेकिन पर्सनली आई फील कि 90% ऑफ द थिंग्स मेरे पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं आया कि प्रोडक्ट्स आर कॉस्टली. तो जैसे मेरे पास आता था, लाइक द फर्स्ट थिंग वाज लाइक आई एम शोइंग देम द डेमो. जैसे डेमो देखते हैं लोग, देन द 50 to 60% they got the clarity कि why products are the price is like that, the price branding is like that. Then going forward I can tell them, मैं उनको बात करता हूँ कि normally कि what are the benefits of the product, and हम लोग का product triply based है, so how we can save our money through this, और economic कैसा है, and it's all about completely care, क्योंकि जितना भी है personal care, home care हो या फिर health care हो, इसके साथ care एक लगा है. तो it's all about caring yourself, और जो हम product लेते हैं that's completely effective for you कि आप जब
have you faced any criticism? अरे आप TCS में पिताजी इतना पढ़ाई किया, फिर आप कहाँ घुस गया, क्या कर रहा है साबुन शैम्पू लेके? Have you been facing such challenges with you?
Yes sir, yes sir. Yes, I have got to that. लेकिन मैं जैसे कि इन्वॉल्व हुआ जब बिजनेस के बारे में, I came through different books and function and my association and my great upline and mentorship. तो वहां से कुछ नॉलेज लिया. तो देन जब मैं लोगों से बात करता हूँ तो मैं जस्ट उनसे नॉर्मली शेयर करता हूँ, डू यू वांट टू नो द रियल फैक्ट और यू बिलीव इन ओपिनियन?
So do you mean so you have created that posture to interact with people? Is it right? So you have the adequate knowledge, you have the right attitude, you develop the right posture. You see, this business is all about creating the right posture to build it. You must be mastering the subject. Okay, most welcome, Chandan. So wish you best of luck. This year you are going platinum, 222 you are emerald. You are the most inspiration for across the India. So you are leading the life of significance. We have been proud for you, and your LOS, including Bhavani and Khemkaji, they are also excited. Very often I interacted with you. So really proud. So I find you are not only A70 as a diamond, you can be as a double diamond, triple diamond, and many diamonds with you.
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you. Again, I have a big digital clap for Chandan. So nicely he has explained, really nice. Then I just invite a student who completed MCA, Mr. Lincoln, young boy, young chap. He is also going platinum this year. So he can introduce himself, he can tell his background and his LOS. So welcome to Lincoln.
So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Really, this is one of the blooming moment in my life. Really, I was waiting for this day. So thank you so much. So good morning, each and everyone. The world record breaking team. This is Lincoln Gatia, professional and student. Last month I have completed my MCA final year and building this business very passionately. I am basically from Balangi, and when I joined the business as a 20 and a half year from my immediate upline, Mr. Abhishek Ji, from whom I have introduced to this business. And above all, I have solid LOS, but the person who is really make my life and turn my life into the U-turn, and the person behind my every journey, he is none other than the legendary couple of Western Odisha, the past diamond of Western Odisha, Mr. Bhavani Shankar Mishra and Mrs. Santoshi Das ma'am. तो उन्हीं के guidance, उन्हीं के blessing से I am growing like anything in this business at a young age. And above all, the legendary mentor, the role model of my life, the person who inspire every time. Really, this is one of the life-changing day for me to be introduced, to be hosted from the legend. So I always salute the person, Mr. Rakhal and Mita Mahanti, the Double Diamond going camp. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Can you tell one thing, Lincoln? So while you are pursuing your studies MCA, is there any resistance from your home? अरे आप MCA कर रहा है, कहाँ पैकेज ढूंढो, क्या कर रहा है, कौन आपको फंसा दिया, क्या चल रहा है तुम? ऐसे कुछ पेरेंट्स से रेजिस्टेंस आया और फ्रेंड सोसाइटी में आया? How to overcome that? How you have
Yes.
to overcome?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the one of the most challenging part for me as a student. Like you can see, MCA and business that does not sound good. So choosing an MCA profession and coming to the business, it's something like don't sound well good. But at the same time, when I came to the opportunity, when I joined the business when I was in 20 and a half years, so suddenly I have got a call from my father. He, kya kar raha hai? With all the negative talks, what are the talks from the family members, all the everything I have faced. ऐसा नहीं कि the month the day I have joined the business, उस day से 2 months I have not slept properly. But at the final time, I have gone through many series, I have gone through many books of the business of 21st century, the parable of pipeline, and the many successful leaders audio from like the legendary mentor राखल जी के भी audio हमने सुने थे. So I have the vast information मेरा mind में dump कर रहा था कि actually I was in a good observing person. That
Okay.
always help me to take the.
So one more question, to become a become a successful in your life, you need a right role model.
Sir.
जैसे हमको जैसे बचपन आफ्टर एजुकेशन रोल मॉडल दिया गया, आप अच्छा पढ़ाई करो, इंजीनियरिंग बन जाओ, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. ऐसे आपका कोई जो बिजनेस में आपको तो मैं पता है यू आर गोइंग डायमंड्स क्राउन एम्बेसडर विथ योर एज यू कैन एस्पायर इवन टू गो ट्रिपल क्राउन एम्बेसडर, दैट्स राइट. बट आपको जो हु इज योर मोस्ट राइट रोल मॉडल इन द बिजनेस, किसको आप रोल मॉडल लिया है? किसको आप नहीं इसको ही क्या I can grow, I can blast the business across the globe. So who is your role model? You see, in this business, it is all about finding a right role model. So when I was in job, my role model was my ED and MD. वही दिमाग में चलता था, मेरे को मैनेजर है, DGM होगा, GM होगा, ED होगा. लेकिन जब अब मैं आया वो पिक्चर थोड़ा हिलने लगा. नहीं हमको एमरल्ड बनना है, कुलिन जैसे हमको आगे बढ़ना है, कुलिन जैसे हमारा मेंटर बनना है. So I made the role model accordingly. That role model has changed here because you see, going diamonds is all about having the right role model. आप किसको रोल मॉडल लिया है? Who is your role model in the business?
Yes, sir. Thank you for the question. So जैसे business में एक अच्छा role model चाहिए आपका जो to whom you really see within you. So I have choose Ninoy as a crown direct, as the youngest crown direct, Ninoy and Patrick. From above them, I choose Ninoy as my role model, and I am following his every step and every the post from Insta and all that. So I have choose Ninoy.
अरे most congratulations, Patrick is this is the youngest crown ambassador of the world at the age of 32. He went crown ambassador. What is your age now? 21.
Sir, just now I am 24.
24. Okay, very good. So in India, you are the first Crown Ambassador, the youngest Crown Ambassador. So you have got the right role model.
Yes.
So thank you, most welcome. We are proud of you because you are the next generation business. Why Gen? Young generation. So India is full of young generation. Mass 67% population in India is the youngsters like you. So you inspire the Odisha. So Odisha can change the face. Many thanks. Keep it on. Be with the mentor with your Bhavani ji. You have got the excellent LOS. Many thanks. Then I welcome the young couple, Sujit and Manashwini. He is MBA, he is working in the MNC. Let him introduce himself. So welcome to Sujit and Manashwini. Okay, Sujit, you just introduce yourself, give your background. So what both you are doing and what is your vision? You just explain, and who is your LOS? You tell us.
Good evening to all, and thanks to Bhaina sir giving us such a platform, and today we are feeling very proud and privileged to be a part of that panel discussion member. And my name is Sujit and I'm working in a IT industry, and she is my wife.
Okay. So what made you make decision to build as a part time? Because you both are in job. She is a government job. She is a very noble job. So she is in teachership background, having a good education. Let hear from Manashwini. So you know Manashwini before marriage that Sujit was doing Amway. Have you heard that point? आपको कभी सुना था? नहीं वो Amway कर रहा है, कुछ चल रहा है. अच्छा, आपका घर में पिताजी मम्मी कुछ बोला, अरे क्या कहाँ फंस गया तेरा बेटा, तू Amway को लेके कहाँ घूम रहा है, चुपचाप चल रहा है, कुछ आप ऐसे सिचुएशन को how do you overcome and ultimately you married this guy? Can you explain what you have seen in Sujit and in business?
Namaskar. Good evening to all. Myself Manashwini Senapati, wife of my crown husband Sujit Padi. By profession, I am working at education department in state government. Marriage more just 1 year ही हे complete हेची 1 year हबो तो business पाई मु physically बेसे किछि support करि पारुनी काहे कि ना मोर केंद्रापड़ा रे जॉब आउ भुवनेश्वर रे बेसी टाइम मु रही पारुनी बट मेंटली मु सब बेले तांको सहित थाए आउ सब बेले बिजनेस कथा पचारे केमती कोन चालची कोन केमती हम केबे सिल्वर हबा केबे कोन हबा सब पचार के बुझु दे तो से सब बेले कोंती कि हां श्योर हमें पक्का हबा टाइम आसले हबा बाकी मु जेहेतु दूर रे रहउची किछि सपोर्ट करि परनी फिजिकली मु एबेटू किंतु माइंडसेट करिछि धीरे धीरे फिजिकली भी सपोर्ट करबी आउ आपण जो कथा कहले मैरिज पूर्व कथा बहुत क्वेश्चन आसी जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब करेची केमिति अमे वाला को हमें कबानी बहुत जन कहते तो मते माइंडसेट थिला कि नाही मते मैं को ही खबर अछि दैट सुजित तो मो माइंडसेट थिला मो बाबा मां सब हमर कन्विंस हेलु आ हमर ए प्रपोजल रे राजी हेलु तो अदर लोकन को कथा हमको सुनिबार नथिला तो तेणु करी हमें फाइनली या टुगेदर.
Okay, very good. Sujit, can you tell me what is the guarantee for success? In business में आपको आदमी पूछ रहा है क्या ठीक है हमें तो अच्छा है क्या गारंटी है आप कैसे इसको हैंडल करते हैं? How do you handle?
Exactly right. In return, I ask them, what do you understand the principle of success? What is the guarantee of success? I ask how you understand what is the definition of guarantee. Can you briefly explain what is the guarantee of your life? Today you are here, tomorrow may not be, that is today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, what will happen? No one does not know. But if you are asking in our business, in Amway Success Guarantee, there is a certain principle work for success. If you understand the principle of success, then success is 1000% guarantee.
Great.
एग्जैक्टली इन एग्जांपल आई टेल देम, जैसे सपोज आपका लड़का को डॉक्टर बनाना है तो आप उसको मेडिकल कॉलेज में भेजते हैं, फर्स्ट ईयर गया, सेकंड ईयर गया, वो कॉलेज छोड़ के आ गया, हैव यू ग्रेजुएट, जो वो डॉक्टर बन पाएगा? नहीं, क्योंकि वो सक्सेस का जो प्रिंसिपल है वो कोर्स कंप्लीट नहीं किया, तो इसके लिए वो नहीं बन पाएगा. तो देयर इज इन आवर बिजनेस वी हैव आल्सो सर्टेन कोर्सेस, certain guidance system. If you follow the system, then definitely we will get success. And if asking about guarantee of successful delivered 60 years all over world, that is the guarantee of our success. And in India also 21 years of we are successfully completed. That is our guarantee in success. And in also through Amway, lakhs of people are earning in crores and lakhs, 1,000 rupees. That is the guarantee of success. So if you follow the principle and the guidance of system, then definitely we will get the guarantee of success.
Very good. The great message. The thing is that once you build a business with principle of success, the opposite of success is not failure but the quitting. This is the only one principle which can take you the crown ambassador. Very nicely answered. अभी आपका mindset कब तक हुआ है? Till platinum or beyond?
August 21 we are brand new platinum.
अच्छा, platinum जाके उनको क्या गिफ्ट देना है मनोसिनी को? आपका मतलब कार है, सब तो है, अभी क्या गिफ्ट मनोसिनी ने आपको मंगाए? What is your driving force?
Actually, she is my passion and my motivation. Every day in the morning and evening, so asking to when, give me the deadline, give me the goal. Every day you are doing something in the morning and evening, working and telling me we are fired up, excited, but what is the end result is not coming. We just have this year, we are definitely brand new platinum.
Okay, so how you are doing your game plan counseling with your mentor? Very often or sometimes? आप कैसे, आपका LOS में कौन-कौन है?
Yeah, actually, I am belong from my offline platinum is Devashish and Priti Patnaik.
Leadership, very good.
And above that, there are also Santosh and Bajanti Rautre and Navin Bhuya, and up to you, the great double diamond, Bhaina and Bhavja.
No, I have got the confidence because I am doing mentorship with you, the potential what you have and the posture and the skill what you have developed. So only you need the persistency to grow the business, keeping in view, achieving the goals. Success is a progressive realization of the worthwhile goals. So God bless. So we'll see you the camp couple in A70. We are
Definitely done by that.
really we are proud of your WRBT, proud for this couple. So great mindset, going in the right direction. Thank you. Many thanks to Sujit.
Thank you so much.
So then I invite Chandan and Asmita. So you just introduce yourself and your background, and I shall interact some couple of questions because I know you are entering the second generation business. So you first introduce yourself, give your background. So what made you take decision for this business to go crown ambassador or going beyond? Because you both are in very comfortable position. Your mom and dad are also in very comfortable. So in the process, you just introduce and take background. Then what situation, how you took decision to build a business big way? You are founder platinum this year you both are going emeralds. So every day, what I have been observing, you've been involved in spite of his busy job. He's doing day in and day out. So in his heart, you have transferred the business from mind to heart. So over to Rasmita and Chandan. You unmute, please unmute it.
Unmute.
Hi. Good evening, everyone. This is Chandan and Rashmita, and thank you, Papa, for giving us the forum to talk in the Great U35 meeting today. I think I'll quickly introduce myself. Then I'll ask Rashmita to introduce. I have been born and brought up in Bhubaneswar. Did my science education from BJP College. Then did my engineering from CET Bhubaneswar. I was a double gold medalist from BPUT. Then I went on to do my MBA from IIM Bangalore. This is considered to be one of the top 3 B schools in India. After that, I joined McKinsey. It's a #1 global consulting firm. I have been working with McKinsey for last 9 years, and of course, this business came to my life after I got to know Rashmita. Post my marriage, I started building the business. I think we have been in business for last. At least I have been involved for last 5 years, building it very passionately. And I'll come back. I'll come back with the how do we manage it. But then first, Rashmita's introduction.
Hi everyone. Good morning. Rashmita here. I'm sure most of the people know me. So Rashmita Mohanty, I did my engineering in Rajasthan College of Engineering. Post which I was working for a short time for an IT company, and then I wanted to do something in social sector. Then I started to work in a firm where I was in charge of women empowerment and children education. And then I went on to do my master's in public policy from New York University. That's again, I applied to many universities. That is one where the course was really good. So I got into it. And then post which I was working for United Nations in New York. And then I got married, shifted back to India for good, working as a policy consultant with the parliament for some time. And then now I took a sabbatical for some time, post which I'm now working on a freelancing. I'm doing something, a research project with Columbia University professor. So yes, I'll before I come to how we are managing our time, I'll let the horse speak, who has been working for 15 hours a day, and still how we manage our time, how we prioritize, and building this business.
Yes.
Now, you first share how you took the decision to build it. Because everything was comfortable. So with that situation, working in a big McKinsey house, well established, आपको क्या force किया business पे decision लेने के लिए? One, I understood. I met you with Sumit Bahadur, na, some days back.
Yes. Yes.
So you talked with Sumit Bahadur at Delhi because you started relating him. You could not relate us. So you just narrate the story how you took the decision to build it.
Yes. Yes. No, I think as I said, right after marriage, I got to know about the business. I initially put the effort, right, just to know, okay, what is this business? What is my in-laws are doing? How they are successful? But frankly speaking, right, in that stage, I'm honest to admit, right, I think my professional ego was very high. After academically achieving and being in the #1 firm, you just believe, okay, something is there, but it's not really, of my cup of tea, right? But I remember in 2015, when Papa was in Delhi, he and I went to meet Sumit Bahadur in Amway's old office in Gurgaon, right? And he was there. We just had a 10-minute chat. He had a coffee with us. And I remember on the piece of napkin, right, he wrote just one equation for me. He said, Chandan, I know what McKinsey is, what you are doing. Then he said, since you are an engineer, let me write an equation for you. And the simple equation he wrote is lifestyle is equal to money into time into income, security, and health. And the only question he had for me, if your McKinsey career is going to solve for these things today, 5 years down the line, 20 years down the line, 40 years down the line, then don't listen to anybody. Just continue on your job, grow on the path. But if the answer is no, then I can tell you from my experience that, this business can give you that package. And I think I always share, right, with that piece of napkin, with that equation, I was sold out in the business that, this is something worth exploring and worth doing. And the second thing I think I realized as I started exploring in the journey is one point it was shared by Papa is that, you take a health insurance, life insurance when you are healthy. You do not take an insurance where, in a hospital bed and you are having a saline to your thing, right? So I think this business, when I started, I was at a 56 lakh package, right? That Papa said, right? I was very comfortable in my job, but I think the realization sink in that this job might not be there always, right? There will be crisis in future. So let me create a support infrastructure as while we are doing great in our life, right? And we always take it as a journey of good to great life. We are in the journey, and unfortunately in the COVID times, right? I think that decision we took 5 years back, that is becoming more and more clear. I know my friends and batchmates from different backgrounds, the kind of challenges they are facing in terms of attrition, salary reduction. So we are actually proud and happy that, I am personally very proud the business came to me through the marriage route. I had the conscience to take the decision, to take that insurance, where we feel much more comfortable now as founder Platinum that we have built a solid platform, and we are definitely even more convinced now to build this business to greater heights.
Okay, how do you feel? You are now the second generation building the business, because your dad and mom is here. We are going crown ambassador. So you are in second generation. So as a young second generation to create the legacy, what responsibility you can take that so you can keep on growing, and what your mom and dad make, you can go beyond that. So have you set your mind in that direction? So second thing, how you manage your time, being a busy professional, having package of huge package, is more than diamonds package, and how you manage your time. You people are telling time is not there, and I have seen in your team people are coming even more than good packages, 50 lakhs packages. So how do you convey your message to them so that they joining with you and comfortably growing big way to build a business? What is your punchline? What you are telling to them? Or otherwise people attracts the people on seeing you, they have been coming, or else more, or you have got any comments, अरे चंदन कहाँ फंस गया, तेरे को इतना था, कहाँ हमें हमें लेके पिताजी भी तेरे को फंसा दिया. So have you gone through situation?
So regarding time, I think we personally believe having time or no time is a matter of prioritization. It's how you manage your time. We have been following the principle of alignment, family, current profession, and Amway in a very stricter way. We prioritize family and then professional job and then Amway, and then everything takes a backseat. Be it a movie night, be it going out with friends to a party, be it any marriage party, be it any games party, be it any poker party. Because we understand that we can pay now and play later. I remember you have always said us, pay now, play later. That is always imbibed within me. That's always inscripted within me कि अभी अगर हम काम कर लेते हैं, शायद 5 साल बाद हम we can play. So we prioritize accordingly. Even after 12 hours, सुबह 8 बजे से लेके रात 8 बजे के बाद भी we have that passion कि चलो और 2-3 घंटा काम कर लेते हैं, because आज अगर हम काम कर लेते हैं, कल 5 साल के बाद we will be free to have a life of choice where we don't have to think अगर उस समय हम थोड़ा मेहनत कर लेते तो आज अगर ये नहीं देखना पड़ता. So we are always in that mindset, and I remember एक चीज, we are movie buff, बहुत movie देखना को पसंद है. But when we decided to build the business, which is 1 year after the marriage, हमको लगा कि नहीं, मूवी को थोड़ा साइड रखते हैं. इवन दो हमने टीवी जानबूझ के नहीं लिया था for 4 years. अभी हमने घर खरीदा दिल्ली में, so we took a TV. But टीवी में नेटफ्लिक्स है, प्राइम है, बट ओनली क्रिकेट लगता था. चंदन देखता था क्रिकेट, हम दोनों भी क्रिकेट मैच देख लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. एंड देन ही आल्सो डिसाइडेड कि क्रिकेट भी नहीं देखना है, क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप जो होगा टीम के साथ टूर करना है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू वॉच क्रिकेट बिकॉज अभी मजा आता है जब आप टीम के साथ जाते हो. सो वी हैव स्टॉप नेटफ्लिक्स. जब अभी लॉकडाउन के दौरान लोग पूछने लगे कि आप लोग घर पे रह के नेटफ्लिक्स से बहुत देखते होंगे, हम ये सीरीज देख रहे हैं, वो सीरीज देख रहे हैं. एंड वी हैव जिल्च आइडिया, कोई भी आइडिया नहीं है कोई सीरीज के बारे में, राइट? 4 महीने हो गए हमने नेटफ्लिक्स नहीं देखा, प्राइम वीडियो नहीं देखा. एंड थैंक गॉड digitally build कर रहे हैं business. We have been growing rapidly, and digitally कैसे इसको build करना है, we're taking one step at a time. Chandan, you want to add?
Yeah. No, I think on the time.
One more question, last question, Chandan and Rasmita.
Sure.
So, what difference you feel 2015 Rasmita Chandan and 2020 Rasmita Chandan? Are you feeling changes within you, changes with your vision, changes with your passion? So changes your skill set, changes your mindset, changes your entrepreneurship. What difference are you feeling? 2015 brand, 2020 brand. How do you feel?
Yes. Yeah. No, I think simple one word answer will be I personally, right? I believe it has been a paradigm shift for me compared to 2015 and 2020. In this journey, it has been a paradigm shift for me. And 2-3 aspects to that, right? I think number one, from becoming someone who did things in life because parents said something, society said something, right? Frankly, I mean, going into science in BJP college was not my decision, my dad's decision, right? Then doing engineering was my parents' decision. So I think the big change that has happened now, I can proudly say I have 15 goals of mine. I can proudly say that I have taken a decision, or we have taken a decision as a couple, that we will travel 100 countries, right? And the fun of achieving that goals one by one, short term, and take new goals. I think that journey is beautiful. And I never believed on day one, right? I think Rajendra was saying, writing a dream. I was frankly, initial 6 months, I was not a believer. I said, okay, it's a good income security, do it, why dream and all. But now that fun, once you start hitting it, you just like it, right? I think that is a big thing. Second thing, I think personal development, I have seen my ability to work with different kind of people, with different mindset, different background. Few skills I have learned by all these association, meetings, reading, coaching from our mentors, parent directly, right? It has not only helped me in the business, in my work front also, that has made me very, very successful, right? I mean, for last 3 years, while building this business, I have been rated distinctive in my organization. And I believe, a big role to play is how do I handle people? As you grow higher in the organization, that's the department. And third thing I think is because of the business, I think we are very, very optimistic now. Very, very optimistic now. And I compare in these time, depressing time, when I pick up the phone, talk to any of my friends, the first question is, how many cases in Odisha? And my simple answer is, I don't know, because I am not looking at the news. I have no time doing my work and building this business. I do not look at the news, right? So then you clearly realize that we are in a very different league compared to our friends, family, who are stuck in a zone of what I call, life as it is. Whereas we are saying, Emerald, A70, I think those are the only debates we are having, right? And those are the 2-3 big shifts. And personally, right, we feel we are living a much richer life, much fulfilled life now compared to what we are 2015.
And
Okay. Anything more you want to say?
Just one add is just 2015 में हम लोग के पास time नहीं था. He was in a different job. I was in a different job. He was out of Delhi 5 days a week, and we meet only on the weekends because his was a traveling job. So अभी हम मिलके काम कर रहे. It's like a team effort. 1 + 1 this says 11. It's majority. It's a team effort. जो मेरे में कमी है, he has it. We complement each other. जो चंदन में कमी है, I have it. So whenever we are there in a meeting, we are always there together. Always. Even when we are on a phone, we make sure we both are in conference and someone third is joining. We are in a conference. Because जो उसका perspective है, मेरा perspective है, we always add to each other. We never take away from each other. That's another big change that has happened through year. And ego था थोड़ा, हम दोनों में भी था professional ego. He was there. I said I am from NYU. I work for UN. It's like that has come down to 0, and now I would say negative. That is another big thing that I learned from my parents. And then practically, I practically realized, AMWay ke through, meeting ke through, looking at my parents, practically realized it. And this is the platform where
So many thanks to both of you. You see, this business cannot give you the only money, but this business can give you the excellent supplies. So where you can manage your time, manage your money, manage your health, manage your relationship, manage your emotion, everything in a package. So initially we do not understand it, but while doing the business at a certain stage, you can catch the right thought process. This business can everything in your life, everything, and it can have the balance. So the Amway business is built to become financially free at a certain stage. Then you can do excellence in life. What do you mean by excellence of life? Any field you can do excellence, you will be all day. Amitabh Bachchan, he made excellence in picture, film. He made all day. Tendulkar made excellence in cricket. He has become billionaire. But this is the only field for each and everyone where you can do excellence and become wealthy generation to generation. What more you want? That is the beauty of the plan. Many, many thanks to Chandana Asmita for your changing thought process, for your changes growth. You have been changing and growing. So next we can come to the Mahendra Kavi. He's a young engineer in Mahendra Kavi. So are you there?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I have been observing you since 2000. Still you are looking young. Last time we met at Rajgangpur. Is it right?
Sir.
2012.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you just give your introduce yourself, your background, your LOS, and what made you take decision to build a business in spite of a good job in.
Sir. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, vibrant Odisha. Odisha is rocking. क्योंकि जब राखेल सर के गाइडेंस में जब हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, आई हैव सीन कि बिजनेस जो है अभी बहुत तरीके से ग्रो कर रहे हैं. एवरीवेयर इज बिजनेस ग्रोइंग. जैसे सर बोले, आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस बिजनेस फॉर माय स्टूडेंट कैरियर. तब मुझे बिजनेस के बारे में कुछ मालूम ही नहीं था कि व्हाट इज अमवे. मेरे सना पर जो है विघ्नेश्वर कवि, वो मुझे प्लान दिखाया, तब मैं बिजनेस के बारे में थोड़ा सुना, लेकिन मैं अमवे को देखा नहीं था. लेकिन थैंक्स टू राखेल सर, जो एनवायरमेंट भुवनेश्वर में क्रिएट किए हैं, ब्रीड का एनवायरमेंट, मैं ईच एंड एवरी मीटिंग में अटेंड किया. ईच एंड एवरी मीटिंग, जब हर मीटिंग में अटेंड किया, वहीं से मुझे फेथ एंड बिलीव मिला, वहीं से मुझे पैशन मिला, वहीं से मुझे डिजायर मिला कि बिजनेस मुझे करना चाहिए. क्योंकि एज ए स्टूडेंट में ये देखा कि राखेल सर आईआईटी गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हो कि वो क्यों बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, राय सर क्यों बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, डॉक्टर गीता माते आर द एज ऑफ 57 कोई बिजनेस करता है, वो स्टार्टअप किए बिजनेस. दैट्स अ बिग इंस्पिरेशन फॉर मी कि ये बिजनेस स्टार्टअप किया. जब मैं यहाँ पर पोस्टिंग हुआ तब मैं देखा संतोष सर ये बिजनेस कर रहे हैं. मतलब एमसीए स्टूडेंट एक प्रोफेशनलिज्म होके जॉब क्विट करके बिजनेस को कैरियर के हिसाब से ले रहे. मैं जब देखा तो उनको लगा कि नहीं, बिजनेस करना चाहिए, क्योंकि बिजनेस बहुत बड़ा है. ससियमो को देखा वो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, तो इट इज गिव मी वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट दिस बिजनेस कि ये बिजनेस ही लाइफ पैकेज है. बिजनेस ही लाइफ पैकेज. आई एम सीन ज्ञान भाई को देखा, मैं राजेंद्र मिश्र को भी जो उनको सुन रहा था. रियली U35 इज द बिगेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर अस कि हम लोग डेफिनेटली एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट उड़ीसा के अंदर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं 2025. क्योंकि जब राय सर के साथ कुछ दिन पहले जब मेरा प्लानिंग में कर रहा था, 2021 आई बिकेम फाउंडर प्लैटिनम, 2022 आई एम सैफियर विद द पैकेज ऑफ 30 लाख, 2023 आई एम एमराल्ड विद द पैकेज ऑफ 25 लाख, फाउंडर एमराल्ड 2024 एंड ब्रांड न्यू डायमंड 2025. ये सक्सेस, सर ने जैसे पूछा सक्सेस कैसे मुझे मिला, सक्सेस मुझे मिला ये सिस्टम से. सिस्टम में जब देखा कि इतने सारे लोग ग्रो कर रहे हैं, ये लॉकडाउन में हम लोग सोचते हैं बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन थैंक्स गॉड ये बिजनेस में मैं हूं, जहां पर मैं जॉब कर रहा हूं, उसके अलावा मैं एक पैसिव इनकम ऑलरेडी क्रिएट कर चुका हूं थ्रू दिस बिजनेस. जब हम लोग बिजनेस डिजिटलाइज, फिजिकल से डिजिटलाइज आए, मैं अपना जूम मीटिंग शुरू किया, अपना पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू किया. दैट्स गिव मी boost up. I'm totally boosted through this business. I just visualize myself कि A70, I'm a triple diamond, sir.
Very good. So, Kavi, one more thing.
Sir.
So, during your journey, I have seen you have gone so many ups, down. Business up जाता था, business down आता था. So you took time to stabilize it. Still you have the patience. Still you have the passion. So what make you so strong when the business थोड़ा सा नीचे जा रहा था फिर ऊपर बढ़ता, how you stabilize your emotion and how you stabilize your attitude towards the business? नहीं, still I can do it, I can pursue it. आप कैसे इसको ओवरकम किया? Because a lot of people, they cannot overcome. When the business will come down, they leave the business, quit the business. I have seen it since 20 years. But since young guys are working in a good job, इसी सिचुएशन में आपका तो देखा है बिजनेस ठीक है, because business is two things. One is the testing, another is the blessing. So how do you overcome that situation during this coming down the business, up down हो रहा था, अभी तो स्टेबल हो गया ठीक है. So how could you overcome that situation?
यस सर, ये जो सर जैसे क्वेश्चन किए ये बहुत ही मतलब रियल फैक्ट है. बिजनेस में हम लोग अप जाएंगे डाउन जाएंगे, अप जाएंगे डाउन जाएंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पर मैं बोलूँ मैं कैसे यहाँ पर सस्टेन किया. पहला चीज है ऑफलाइन कम्युनिकेशन एंड मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम. मैं हमेशा संतोष सर, कवि सर के साथ टचअप में रहा. जब भुवनेश्वर जाता था डॉक्टर गीता महांती, राय सर के साथ, सश्याम के साथ टचअप में रहा. तो ये जो क्रिएशन, ये जो बॉन्डिंग मुझे वहां से यहाँ तक लाया. अप डाउन हुआ है मेरे लाइफ में, बहुत सारा अप डाउन आया है, लेकिन ये जो रिलेशनशिप बॉन्डिंग एसोसिएशन ये मुझे ग्रोन अप किया, क्योंकि विदाउट एसोसिएशन ये बिजनेस ग्रो होने वाला नहीं है. एटीट्यूड इज एवरीथिंग. तो जब आप डाउन जा रहे हैं वहां पर आपका एटीट्यूड क्या है, आपका इंटेंशन क्या है, आपका गोल क्या है, आपका माइंडसेट क्या है, आप अपने ड्रीम ड्रिवन है या आप वो प्रॉब्लम को ड्रिवन कर रहे हैं. डिपेंड्स अपन. ये सिचुएशन सबके लिए सेम है. गीता में एक चीज बोला गया है, जब कुरुक्षेत्र धर्म क्षेत्र में युद्ध का विश्लेषण हो रहा था तो वहां पर कृष्ण अर्जुन को भी सेम चीज बोल रहा था, संजय धृतराष्ट्र को भी सेम चीज बोल रहा था. सिचुएशन सबके लिए सेम था, लेकिन धृतराष्ट्र वरीड अबाउट द कौरव एंड अर्जुन वरीड अबाउट द रिलेटिव. सिचुएशन सेम है, लेकिन हाउ टू हैंडल डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू सर.
So very good. So you have been utilizing the LOS, the system, the association. So ultimately association is the power. So the great message is that in this business, even though you come up and down, you have a great association which can determine your attitude. Your attitude in life will determine the altitude. So we are proud of the system. If you work with the system, you can grow the business one step to another steps. So many thanks to Kavi. So we expect you are not only triple diamond, you can go beyond and with a lot of diamonds in A70, because you made your emotion and you have made the foundation made in such a way. So you can build to anybody in the business. Really, we are proud of you. Congratulations, and congratulations for your LOS. Congratulations for your mentorship. He has given a lot of efforts, a lot of environment. Many thanks. Then you come to the young guys from Calcutta. So he's the young, so he can introduce himself. So he's the Prasanjit Chanda.
Hello.
You just introduce yourself, your background, and what made you take decision to build a business in big way. So as a young boy. So over to Prasanjit.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everybody, and good morning, all the viewers listening to me. It's a great honor that I am speaking in this forum today. My name is Prasanjit Chanda, and I am basically from Kolkata. I have done my studies in hospitality management, and I have taken a bachelor's in arts from Queen Margaret University, Edinburgh, Scotland. So I have stayed there for 3.5 years, and I had pursued my career post my studies. So I had an experience of a cosmopolitan culture. We had interaction with different cultures, and we had faced a lot of challenges, lot of ups and downs. And then for good, I have shifted. I have came down to India, and later on I joined HSBC. I had a 10 years of corporate experience, and I had God's plan was something else, as I believe. So I went ahead and I was planning to have an entrepreneurship program. However, in the meanwhile, when I was searching for opportunities, I came across Amway, because my mother was not doing well. So we came across who is my mentor now. Her name is Ivy Bose. And she is she has came up with this package which gives me time, freedom, as well as financial freedom. You know, like all these three things I have got in a package. And on top of that, I mean, for me, money is just a byproduct. And on top of this, when I get a good association, which I was really hungry for, I had a bad experience in the corporate sector. I don't want to say anything negative out here, but that is what we are facing at this point of time. And this is how I have shifted. It's very less time I have been interacting with, like I can see a huge difference from the corporate world and the Amway world, where there is sea change in between interactions which I do. So basically it's God's plan, and I am in Amway. I had a different mindset 8 months back. I have just started climbing the ladders of success, and I'm looking forward.
One more thing, Prasenjit, when you work in Scotland, you are working in Ireland, so again you came back to India. So what's the reaction of your parents, your family members? अरे इंडिया आ गया है, जिसने फिर छोड़ दिया, totally full time Amway कर रहा है. So are you facing any resistance from your family, or are they convinced on your decision to grow this right way?
Okay, now it happened like this. My mom was not keeping well, so I had to come down anyway. My dad has a plan that I would be staying 10 years maximum, and then I will be coming to India and I will be serving my parents. That was their criteria. So I had to look forward to come down to India at one point of time. However, I had a master plan of doing a blogging or a passive income, which I was searching when I was back in UK, because I had never thought of working for somebody else. I have always had that entrepreneurship skill, but I was just searching for, the umbrella or the banyan tree where I could connect myself with. So I was searching, and that's how when I came here, I had to take care of my parents, and that was the biggest opportunity I got, because they had spent a lot of time and effort for my well-being. And I have a sister, so of course when the time came when I have to give back, then that was the right opportunity for me, and which is why God has listened to me and has given me a home-based job which I can build on a virtual medium, and with such a great association with so many good associates around me, where we can learn every day and we can earn every day. So that is how the package is.
Okay, great thought process. In the meantime, you have developed the entrepreneurial mindset. You are going in the right direction. So God bless. In A70, you are beyond diamonds. We are proud of your decision. Proud of your changes you made throughout the journey. So we are really proud for your LOS, starting from Khetriji and Bodhi.
I'm really blessed. Yeah, really blessed to have you on that umbrella. I mean, in that umbrella. Thank you so much.
So you see, your LOS is your safety net.
Absolutely.
So this business is all about the win-win situation. You have to understand.
Yes.
When somebody wins, then we will be winning.
Yes. It doesn't let me go demotivated at any point of time. So I would really wish to name Uncle Chetri, who is always beside me, backing me up whenever I'm demotivated or when there are challenges. Because it's like, like all the measurement is like, it will never go flat. It will always be up and down. So you have to physically balance it, and mentally, that's the main mindset you have to prepare.
Okay, most welcome. Thank you, Prasenjit.
Thank you, sir.
So you are the first U35 diamond in Calcutta in our WRBT team. We are proud of you.
Your blessings are always admired. Thank you.
Go to Santosh and Sagarika. The most lovable couple. They are doing big way. So you introduce yourself and give your background and what and how you came to attach to the business. So आपको क्या कैसे आप decision लिया? Because I know based on your decision, you are going towards the Crown Ambassadors. That is that. So this year package I have seen, you have calculated more than 24 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
And you are in the corporate job, you are in big job. And what difference you have seen Amway and corporate job, how you evaluated in both way. So that you took a decision, this is the right platform where I can pursue and I can grow. So you just start.
Namaskar, Bhaina. It's feeling really great. Not youth, it's a thing like teen. I'm back to teenage. So I am Santosh Kumar Das, and I'm excited and super excited with all the wisdom shared by all young leaders. And I'm literally back to my college days. So all are excited people, and I pray God if some young and some youth should connect today and take it and identify it, take a dream and work for this. And definitely with God, everybody will be successful. So coming to my background, I have completed my MBA from Brahmpur University, and thank God, I am very my parents, my guidance, and my elder brother give me lots of culture, and I'm blessed to be a part of our great family. And then I started my corporate experience. I have around 18 years experience in different telecom and procurement fields. And my last assignment was in a telecom sector as a DGM, and I was heading a circle, and I learned a lot. And in that time, I was missing something. In every time I'm missing something, I am born to help people. I feel literally good by helping some people. So, and I'm crazy towards good health. So I was a customer since a decade, the Nutrilite, the world's #1 product. So that related me, and I want to be a part of Mission Healthy India. And my dream is Nutrilite in every home. So apart from this, the association is emerging. And I am always, I tell in life, there are two sides. One is negative and another is positive. My mind is always go to the positive side, and everything is available readily here. And this is the platform already made. And thanks to my offline Jogmaya and Manoj Bhai and the great lady Gayatri Mahapatra and Biranti Mahapatra and the mentor and who has created a long wisdom and long vision for Odisha and for entire people, for entire nation, and creating total quality people. And my dream, 100 diamonds in my group, and create 100 total quality people who has total spiritual life, social life, personal life, financial life, everything, all are being managed. So that is everything is available, and God has the power. Believe on self, believe on God, and this is the only dharma. Whatever you do, it is connected to society. We are in the business of education, educating people to help themselves, to enhance their self-image. That is the best part, and I'm impressed. I'm listening all this wisdom, and I'm listening to all successful leaders. And definitely, I'll be and the founder, crown ambassador. I have a 20 years goal, and I'm on the way. In that time, things will come, things will go, people will come, people will go. I have never listened to the negative thing, negative words, and nobody has dared to ask me also. I am always connected to the positive side and the positive affirmation, and God is with me. He has given a path. You just go on the path, follow the process, things will ultimately go. No one can stop. As Rajendra said, there is the one thing in successful people and unsuccessful, that is dream. If you carry a dream and you work on this, nobody can stop you. If you erase your dream, you are away from the system, all things will move out. And I am very much happy and proud to my wife, crown wife, Sagarika. She will also share her name.
How you set your mind to go crown ambassador? Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Bhaina, I'll come straight away to my education background. I am an MBA and I have completed my MCOM. So having 2 degrees, I was posted with HDFC Bank as an assistant manager, but eventually I had to leave the job because of time constraints. I had to go to bank by 9 a.m. and when I used to return, it used to be at around 9:30 p.m. to 10 p.m., which was like disturbing my family life. So eventually I had to leave the job, because no husband would want his wife to come at around 10 p.m. at night and have no personal life. Our personal life was equal to 0. Then I took a sabbatical and I took a technical writing course because Santosh shifted to Bangalore, and eventually I had to go to Bangalore. And then when we returned, I personally had no job here. And as a lady, there is a dearth of jobs in Odisha. And after trying here and there, after 3 to 4 years, I landed on a job which gave me the salary was peanuts. I learned a great deal from there, and then I shifted to this state government job, where I am here since 4.5 years. Coming to the question why I took the decision to do this business, there are 2 reasons. First is I realized what is the importance of income security after my father's death. I was doing MBA, my brother was doing engineering, and we knew what was the financial impact that we had after my father's death. My father was a chief manager at Nalco, and his income was very huge, and we never knew what to find, like financial crisis was before his death. And suddenly, when everything came to us, no doubt we got some money from LIC and NALCO, but that was very late. It took around 2 to 3 years for the paperwork to be done and the money to come. And we knew the impact what was after his death. So, like now I know we should have a secured income, And the second reason is, in this my job and career experience, I have noticed a thing that even after we speak about equality for men and women, there is no job or no women are treated equally. There is and will always be a difference in terms of promotion, in terms of the salary growth, and in terms of any kind of thing. Women are expected to work equally, but when it comes to promotion or payment, they lag behind. But this platform, Amway, it gives an equal opportunity to men and women to perform their best. There is no difference here between a man and woman. And a woman feels here very safe because of our cardinals that respects the woman and gives her a safe environment to work with, and with a great and good LOS to support her at every point of time. Thank you.
Very good. So this business, you realize that business can give the income security, that security legacy money. Thank you. You both are so committed, building business passionately. You are in the right direction. Again, to welcome and congratulations, going Founder Platinum and Platinum this year, August 25 Beyond Diamonds, and in A70 you are Beyond Diamonds and coming with many diamonds, U35. So many thanks, Santoshi and Sagarika. So next you will go to Santosh Prasad Subudhi. Mr. Subudhi is there? Yeah. So
yes, namaskar,
introduce yourself, you give the background, how you have been doing the business, what forces you take the decision in Amway. You just explain for a few minutes so that our U35 icons, they can have a hope. Yes, if everybody can, we can.
So, good evening, everybody. Yes, sir. So, good evening, everybody. Myself, Santosh Subudhi, or thank you all my mentors and great mentors for giving me this awesome opportunity to be here. So, मैं अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा. I belong to very typical village जहाँ से मेरी पढ़ाई शुरू हुई. तो वहाँ से उतना एक्सपोजर नहीं था. फिर भी मेरे पापा, पिताजी, माताजी दोनों गवर्नमेंट टीचर थे. तो उनके जितना हो सके मुझे वो एक्सपोजर देने के लिए कोशिश की. मुझे 10th में मैंने अच्छा किया, वहाँ पे अच्छा स्टूडेंट था एरिया में मैंने. तो मैंने +2 किया कॉलेज ऑफ बेसिक साइंस एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज ओयूटी के अंदर. वहाँ पे मुझे सीट मिला, तो वहाँ से +2 भी अच्छा किया. उसके बाद मैंने हायर स्टडीज के लिए बैंगलोर गया, तो वहाँ पे मैंने हायर स्टडीज की और वहाँ पे मैंने जॉब भी किया. और उस बीच मेरी शादी हुई, तो मैं फिर उड़ीसा वापस आया क्योंकि मैं घर में अकेला लड़का हूँ. तो मुझे लगा कि इतने साल घर से दूर रहा, पिता के पास रहना चाहिए. तो वहाँ से फिर उड़ीसा वापस आया, पर सोचा कि घर में रहूंगा और यहाँ पे जॉब करूंगा. फिर यहाँ पे जो जॉब मिला, फिर घर से दूर हो गया. अनुगुल में मुझे जॉब मिला. फिर मैंने सोचा लाइफ ऐसे ही चलेगा क्या, कितना समय में माँ बाप से दूर रहूंगा, क्योंकि लाइफ इक्वल टू टाइम. अगर टाइम चला जाएगा तो क्या मतलब लाइफ का. उन्होंने इतना कष्ट करके मुझे पढ़ाया लिखाया, तो मुझे उनके पास रहना चाहिए. तो मैं जॉब में डिसैटिस्फाइड था और मैं फ्रस्ट्रेटेड था उसी टाइम लाइफ को लेकर. मेरा दीदी, मेरी वाइफ जो है वो गवर्नमेंट हाई स्कूल टीचर है, वो सुंदर में रहती थी उसी टाइम. मेरे पिताजी माता खोर्धा के पास रहते थे और मैं रहता था अनुगुल में, तीनों अलग अलग जगह. तो मैं पूरा डिसैटिस्फाइड और फ्रस्ट्रेटेड था, मैं कुछ ढूंढ रहा था. तो उसी दौरान मेरे ग्रेट ऑफलाइन वेरी लवेबल कपल मिस्टर प्रताप कुमार साहू एंड सस्मिता साहू, द सिल्वर प्रोड्यूसर गोइंग प्लैटिनम, उन्होंने मुझे एक मीटिंग में वेलकम किया. तो वर्किंग डे में था, ट्यूसडे को मीटिंग होता था रेड क्रॉस भवन में भुवनेश्वर में. और मैं जॉब को लेकर इतना फ्रस्ट्रेटेड था, मैं मीटिंग अटेंड करने के लिए आ गया, देखने के लिए क्या चीज देखने के लिए मैंने आ गया भुवनेश्वर. उससे पहले मुझे ना आमू के बारे में पता था, ना मैं जानता था, कंपनी का नाम नहीं जानता था मैं, लेकिन मैं सर्चिंग जोन था, मैं आ गया और वहाँ पे मीटिंग अटेंड किया. प्लान तो समझ में नहीं आया, लेकिन वहाँ पे माहौल अच्छा लगा, लोग अच्छे लगे. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा मेरा स्ट्रेस रिलीज हुआ. मुझे लगा कि अगर इस माहौल के अंदर में रहूंगा तो खुश रहूंगा मैं. और धीरे धीरे मुझे मेंटर्स मिले, मेरे मिस्टर पीके सिंह सामान, जसमीन सिंह सामान, उन्होंने हम बिजनेस में गाइड किया कि मुझे अमूल के बारे में पता नहीं था। वहां से उन्होंने मेरा हाथ पकड़ के चलना सिखाया, क्या अमूल है, क्या मिलेगा, लाइफ क्या हो सकता है। तो वहां से धीरे धीरे मुझे एक्सपोजर मिला कि लाइफ क्या हो सकता है। फिर मैंने जब बहुत सारे सीडी सुने, किताब पढ़े, मीटिंग अटेंड की, मैं पागल था मीटिंग अटेंड करने के लिए। मैं अनुगुल से भुवनेश्वर आता था ओपन मीटिंग अटेंड करने के लिए, झूठ बोल के ऑफिस में। और धीरे धीरे मुझे लोग अच्छे लगे। फिर यहाँ पे जो मैंने बहुत सारे अच्छे लोगों को देखा, जैसे राखल सर IIT गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, तो हम जब पढ़ते थे हमारा सपना होता है कि वहाँ पे मिला हमको चांस। मुझे लगा क्या मिला उनको, यहाँ पे क्या मिला है, जहाँ पे हम पहुंचने लोगों का सपना है, वहां जाने बाद फिर वो लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, कुछ तो है यहाँ पे। तो धीरे धीरे हम यहाँ पे रहे, फिर पता चला कि यहाँ पे एक अच्छी लाइफ हो सकती है, सपने पूरे हो सकते हैं। फिर हमने 3 साल पहले सिल्वर गए।
2021 में कहाँ जाना है, प्लैटिनम और फाउंडर?
तो हम प्लैटिनम कंप्लीट करेंगे जिससे 2021 वर ब्रांड न्यू प्लैटिनम।
You just interact with you because this business you have to go through the different stages. पहले जो ज्वाइन करता है इसको बोला जाता है डाउटफुल स्टेजेस, होगा नहीं होगा, कहाँ होगा, कैसे होगा। देन सेकंड स्टेज द पॉसिबिलिटी जोन, अरे कुछ तो हो जाएगा, जैसे आप बोला एसोसिएशन का जुड़ गया, सो पॉसिबिलिटी जोन। सो देन यू कैन ट्रांसफर द पॉसिबिलिटी जोन का बाद श्योरिटी जोन, अरे अभी तो हम कर लेंगे, कुछ भी नहीं। देन इज द कम टू द सक्सेस जोन। तो जो डिफरेंट जोन, आपको कितना टाइम लगा ये सक्सेस जोन में आने के लिए? Within 1 year, 2 years, you have to solve the zones.
जो फेस लेवल था सर वो पहले से हो गया, क्योंकि इतने सारे लोगों को देखे, इसमें डाउट करने की कोई चीज नहीं थी। वो तो कॉमन सेंस था, डाउट करना क्या है, अगर IAS कर सकता है, IIT कर सकता है, डाउट कोई बात ही नहीं थी।
अच्छा, मुझे एक बार बताइए, so when you are staying in the village, the people may be asking you, अरे गांव में क्या बिजनेस होगा, हमें थोड़ी गांव में चलेगा। Still then you are in Begunia and village, you are operating the business across the Odisha. So आप इसको क्या ऑब्जेक्शन को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं? You might be going through that question, गांव में क्या होगा, बिजनेस थोड़ा गांव में चलेगा क्या, सेमी टाउन में चलेगा क्या? But now you have become a silver producer, going platinum. So how could you handle the situation? जैसे because we have been building a lot of people in the rural sectors. They have been going with the income of 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 30,000, 40,000, even they have gone more than 1 lakh. So वो जो objection था, आप how did you overcome that objection? Objection आप,
क्योंकि मैं पहले वहाँ
ना आपको objection मिला,
जो रूरल एरिया में है,
मैं आके चला गया बेगुनिया में और कितना का आदमी करके फंस गया, आप फिर वही बैंगलोर में जॉब किया, फिर आ गया, फिर भुवनेश्वर छोड़ के फिर इधर कर रहा है। हाउ डिड यू हैंडल दैट सिचुएशन? आप कैसे सिचुएशन को हैंडल किया?
यस सर, ऑब्वियसली सर, ये सर सिचुएशन बहुत टाइम में आया, क्योंकि पहले मैं बेगुनिया में रहता था, फिर मैं अभी सुंदर में आ गया। सुंदर में एक सेमी अर्बन टाउन है, छोटा सा टाउन है, यहाँ पे रूरल एरिया बहुत है। हमारा जो ग्रुप है वो भी रूरल एरिया में बहुत है। तो जब वो हमसे क्वेश्चन आता है कि हम गांव में है, एग्जैक्टली एक क्वेश्चन लोग पूछते हैं, ठीक है अगर भुवनेश्वर में लोग कर सकते हैं, हम गांव में है, यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट का होम डिलीवरीज नहीं है, प्रोडक्ट नहीं आ सकता है, यहाँ इतना रेट है, लोग नहीं ले सकते, कैसे बिजनेस करेंगे? तो मैं हमेशा एक ही चीज बोलता हूँ कि आप गाँव में रहे या टाउन में रहे, ये तो जिंदगी होती है, और ये जिंदगी जाने वाली है। जो 70-80 साल की जिंदगी जाने वाली है, आप इसको कैसे जिएंगे, आप कहीं पे भी रहे, वो आपके ऊपर डिसीजन, आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। अगर आप चाहेंगे उसका रास्ता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग, मैं उनको सीढ़ी देता हूँ, आप कहाँ से हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो कहाँ से लोग आगे बिजनेस को बिल्ड किए है, मैं उनको सीढ़ी देता हूँ। फिर वो बोलते हैं प्रोडक्ट कॉस्टली है, मैं हमेशा प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट का एक आंसर देता हूँ कि अगर प्रोडक्ट कॉस्टली होता तो आमवे नंबर 1 नहीं होता, आमवे नंबर 1 है तो उसका ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट बिकते हैं। तो costly answer में वही।
So it's a great answer because we are in not place business, we are in the people's business. I hope your business will be going across the globe. Starting from there, you have the great LOS, Mr. Nalco में जो high profile job में है, so everybody is guiding the right mentorship. So you are going beyond diamonds in August 25. Keep on, keep it on. So keep empowering to youth 35. with your wisdom, with your knowledge. We are really proud for Santosh. So last is we can talk with Amit. So this month he is going platinum from Bhadrak, young boy. He is MBA. So over to Amit. He can explain इसका background क्या है, इसका introduction वो देंगे. So what difference is feeling since date of joining to today 3% to platinum? Amit is there?
Yeah, yes, Bhaina. Thank you, Bhaina.
Founders Crown Ambassador of Panda.
Yes,
great thing.
Bhaina.
So you have bombarded your mind with the Founders Crown Ambassador, right? Okay.
Yeah, Bhaina.
Thank you. Go to Amit. You give your background, you give your introduction, and joining through brief. You can interact with 1-2 questions.
Thank you, Bhaina. It's an first of all, it's a proud privilege to me to give me a chance to Bhaina. It's say something at in front of WRDBT and U35 leadership. And first of all, we feel proud, and we sitting here is an umbrella for most proud couple. It's an what to say, I don't know. It's an umbrella for Rakhal and Mita Mohanty. It's an feel proud every time and every moment. We are in umbrella, not in a particular LOS exactly. It's an we are sitting in one umbrella, no umbrella, only one umbrella exactly. And it's an first of all, I'm personally sponsoring by great offline going Emerald, Prabhas and Mukti, and we feel proud. Personally mentoring by young, energetic Emerald going very soon Diamond, engineer Rajendra Mishra, which will feel proud, and the iconic personality, role model, Gyanranjan and Manashin Pradhan. And first of all, मैंने बताना चाहती हूँ भाईना ने जैसे मुझे बोला 3% से लेके प्लैटिनम तक जाने का क्या जर्नी था, क्या चैलेंजेस आया, क्या है. मैं पहले वो जैसे हमारा जो मेंटर ने बोला था, हमारा जो भी जिस 3% हो, 6% हो, 15% हो, हमारा हर वक्त जो गोल सेट हो रही थी, हमारा गोल कब चेंज नहीं होता, गेम प्लान हमारा चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे कोविड की सिचुएशन आ गया, भाईना ने हमको पहले जो कोविड की सिचुएशन है, लोग डरा हुआ था, भाईना ने हर किसी को बताया था आपको माइक्रो फोकस करना है, आपको कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड होना है. इस वक्त हमारा उस टाइप का वो जो भाईना का जो ड्रीम फोकस एंड गोल ओरिएंटेड है, हमारा वही हिसाब से हमारा प्लान चला है. इसलिए मेरा पहला दिन से मेरा फोकस है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम प्रोफेशनली MBA एंड मैंने MBA किया. MBA के साथ साथ जब मैं MBA भी कर रहे थे, मैंने जॉब करना शुरू किया था. मैं इंश्योरेंस बैकग्राउंड में हूँ, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में काम कर रहा था. जब अमूय बिजनेस मैंने देखा, पहले अमूय बिजनेस की जिस भी इस प्लेटफॉर्म है, किसी के खुशी में कोई अमूय बिजनेस में नहीं आया है, किस सिचुएशन उनको लाया है. इसलिए हमारा भी अमूय करने का कोई इरादा नहीं था. वैसे इंश्योरेंस में काम कर रहे थे. 2010-12 में हमें भी 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 तक हम लोग हर महीने कमा रहे थे. मगर जब हम एमवे बिजनेस में देखा, एक ही चीज हम लोग देखें, मेरा प्रोफेशन से वो जो मैंने एक FED गया, एक प्रदीप एंड सोनाल का था, इस साल अगला साल भाईना का EDC सेलिब्रेशन हुआ, इसका बाद भाईना का डबल डायमंड सेलिब्रेशन हुआ. हम लोग एक कंसेप्ट मुझे दिमाग के लेके आया, जो इतना बड़ा प्रोफेशन वो बिजनेस कर रही है, हम किस खेत का मूल्य है. इसलिए हम एक ही सीट डाल दिया. इतना भाईना का इतना बड़ा प्रोफेशन था, भाईना के प्रोफाइल मैंने पढ़ा, इतना बड़ा बिजनेस था, इतना बड़ा जॉब था. भाईना ने भी भद्रक में भी बिजनेस आने के बाद हम लोग को पता चला, भाईना ने भी भद्रक से बिजनेस शुरू किया था.
You tell me what are the challenges you have faced while transferring from job mentality to entrepreneurship mentality? How you set your mind, how you behave like an entrepreneur? आप क्या किया?
ओके, पहले दिन से हमारा, हाँ,
मैं आपसे जब भी बात कर रहा है, मैं तो खुद एक्साइटेड हो जाता है. आपका विजन गोल को लेके, आपका प्रोफाइल को लेके, आपका प्रोजेक्ट को लेके, आपका तो यू आर बिल्डिंग लाइक ए प्रोजेक्ट फॉर अ क्राउन एम्बेसडर प्रोजेक्ट.
यस.
सो किसी टाइम में आपसे बात करने से आई फील प्राउड.
Yes,
warrior with us.
Is also having.
Can you give message how you took the entrepreneurship?
ओके मैंने जब ओपन मीटिंग और जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बोलने का एक गट्स होना चाहिए जिंदगी में, जो भी आप बताएंगे आपके अंदर एक गट्स होना चाहिए, जिसका अंदर गट्स है वो बता पाएंगे। इसलिए हमारा मेंटर में आज बोल रहे थे आपका जो ड्रीम है आपको गट्स होना चाहिए बताने के लिए। इसलिए वो जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बिजनेस है मैंने तो जब किया कर रही थी, मगर मुझको जो अच्छे नहीं लगता, मेरा जो अंदर में वो नहीं चाहता, वो जो मुझे चाह रही थी, मुझे जो जरूरत थी वो मुझे अमूय बिजनेस में मिला। इसलिए हम लोग अमूय बिजनेस को पहले दिन से हम फुल टाइम करने के कर दिया है, क्योंकि वहां पे इतना प्रेशर था, वहां पे इतना टारगेट था, वो एक भी कंसेप्ट था वहां जो हम लोग काम कर रहे थे, एक कंपनी में काम करूंगा दूसरे कंपनी के जैसे पहले से शुरू करूंगा, ऐसे किया। आज प्लैटिनम हम बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, कल हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कुछ ग्रुप है, मेरा कुछ हो जाएगा। मेरा साथ भी ऐसा हादसा हुआ है, पिछला साल मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, मार्च महीने में मैंने एक्सीडेंट हुआ था। मैंने 3-4 साल कुछ नहीं किया, 3-4 महीने कुछ नहीं किया, मगर मेरा अकाउंट में हर महीने जितना पैसा आ रहा था ज्यादा पैसा आना शुरू हुआ। वो जो मार्च महीने में, पिछला साल मेरा मार्च महीने में मैंने 10 तारीख को एक्सीडेंट हुआ, मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन उस महीने में क्वालिफिकेशन हो गया था। इसलिए इस बिजनेस से बहुत सारा चीज हम लोग भी देखें, बहुत सारा सिक्योरिटी देखें, इसलिए हम लोग डिसीजन लिए यही बिजनेस करेंगे। क्योंकि आपको पहले एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या करते हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योर के क्या है, एंटरप्रेन्योर के पास क्या है कि एक प्रोडक्ट है, एक ब्रांड है, एमवे ऑलरेडी सेटिंग बेंचमार्क। और जो जैसे मेंटन ने बोला था, भाईना ने सेटिंग बेंचमार्क। उड़ीसा के 22 साल हो गया, 22 साल उड़ीसा के बिजनेस हो गया, भाईना ने बेंचमार्क सेट कर दिया। जब भाईना ने बिजनेस किया था, लोगों के पास पक्का घर भी नहीं था, लोगों के पास मोबाइल नहीं था, लोगों के पास कुछ नहीं था, इसलिए बेंच सेट कर दिया। हमको सिर्फ भाईना के जो विजन है, उस विजन के साथ हमको काम करना है, वही विजन को हम ले आए। हम कुछ न्यू इन्वेंशन नहीं किया। जो लोग आज बिजनेस नहीं कर रहे वो न्यू इन्वेंशन कर रहे हैं। हमको भाईना ने इन्वेंशन कर दिया है, हमारे मेंटर ने इन्वेंशन कर दिया है, हमको इन्वेंशन नहीं करना है, हमको सिर्फ उनका इन्वेंशन के साथ काम करना है। भाईना ने पहले जब कोविड हुआ, भाईना ने बताया वो जो माइक्रो फोकस करना है, कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड होना है, हमको वही काम कर रहे हैं। जो 300 कर रहे थे उनको हम 500 में कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ, जो 100 कर रहे हैं जो 200 में करना।
Okay,
Okay,
we are
bhai.
proud of you. We are going emeralds, diamonds, we have 25. But the whole message to the U35 and U30 and YGen, you see, this business is all about having the right entrepreneur mindset. हमारा भी mindset नहीं था. I was in mindset of employees thought process mindset था. लेकिन दो चीज हमको mindset कर दिया. पहला क्या चीज? आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के लिए पेशेंस चाहिए। इमीडिएटली आप आएंगे बोलेंगे मेरा जॉब को मैं रिप्लेस कर देंगे, सैलरी वो होगा नहीं होगा। देन कीप ऑन डूइंग प्रैक्टिस व्हाटएवर योर सिस्टम स्पीक्स। हमारा मंत्र क्या है? व्हेन यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग 1 2 3 4 you can add values at every level. You just keep on practicing. So by this way, this association will give you the right mindset for entrepreneurship. मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बोल रहा है। इसे एक न्यूयॉर्क में एक पेंटर थे, वो पेंटर अभी जो पेंटिंग करता था, एक मिलियनरी लेडी आया, इसको बोला मेरा पेंट कर दीजिए। वो 30 सेकंड में उनका पेंट कर दिया। तो लेडी बोला आपका कितना चार्ज हुआ? वो बोला माई चार्ज अराउंड $3 लाख। बोला 30 सेकंड $3 लाख कैसे हो? बोला मैडम दैट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन, आई हैव बीन डूइंग प्रैक्टिस सिंस 30 years to evaluate this value at this stage.
Yes,
you have to give 30 lakhs. You see, we added values to ourselves. We started with 132 rupees joining, and with the same practice with patience, you can go 10,000 BFI in 1 year, 2 year 40,000 income, 1 lakh income, and we are going beyond crores. So the whole message to U35, you just be in the association, keep patience, and keep on practice. जो चाहिए सिस्टम बोल रहा है इसको कीजिए। You see, system works everywhere. Government of India is growing with the system, running with the system. Government of Odisha running with the system. So वहाँ हमारा सिस्टम है, फ्री मेंटरशिप है, टीम वर्क है, everybody is ready to help you. So I am really very proud and excited for our icon U35 leadership, and I am visualizing A70 will be crowded from India U35 leadership. At that time, your age around 40.
Yes, yes.
So keep it on. So keep patience, be in the system, and keep on practice 1, 2, 3, 4. And next we'll invite with a lot of leadership, will give the wisdom. Path to A70, joining from dream to reality. That is you just sit with your pen and paper. So I am also ready to sit with the pen and paper. So all the leadership is here for another 1.5 hours. Be steady and take the wisdom, take the knowledge, be with us. And we have been praying gods every day. Protect our team, protect the Odisha, protect India and the world. Because that is the power in the effective prayer. Vaccine will come, everything will come. So see you all U35 leaders, you have shared a lot, it is a lot of things you have impacted. We have recorded in YouTube and you can forward this to all over the globe in our team. And definitely we are having the big time. We are really proud. God bless, take care of your health. That tough time never lasts, tough people do. So we can go overcome and become. This business is all about overcoming and becoming. God bless. So back to my hero.